so you'll know first. This is First Alert Weather.
Okay, so the storm that's coming in,
Okay.
what are we talking? What's the timeline?
So the timeline really is going to be kind of an all-day thing on Friday, but that is more so because we're going to see the wind increase, the pressure will fall. So outside of that, Friday won't be a bad day, but we are going to be monitoring for some thunderstorms that could develop Friday afternoon into the evening. So if you're wondering when could we see storms, that's the second part of the day Friday. With the stronger wind, with the lower humidity, we could have some fire danger to deal with as well. So we'll be monitoring for that. So all that being said, just make sure you have a way to get alerts on Friday. So if you have our KMBC 9 News app, that's a great tool to have. You can get alerts on your phone. The bulk of the day will be windy and warm. But again, some thunderstorms could develop Friday afternoon and evening. With that stronger wind, with the warm temperatures, with the low humidity, we could see some fires, if they do develop, spread very quickly as well. So that's what we mean when we say high fire danger. Once the storm system moves on through, we'll be much cooler for the weekend. It'll feel almost chilly, but in fact, those temperatures are going to be near normal. Highs will be in the low to mid 50s. Lows will dip back down into the 30s. So here's our setup. Heading through the morning hours on Friday, our storm system will make its way out of the Rockies. It'll move into the plains. By Friday afternoon, you see it here, we could have a big arcing line of thunderstorms. This is a look at 7 o'clock Friday evening. Notice that this is mostly focused east of us. So in the central Missouri and areas eastward, could see a big line of thunderstorms just like you see here, possibly a few pop-ups in our area, but for those storms to develop, they're going to be battling some dry air close to the surface. So that's why I do think that many of us will be dry, especially if you live on the Kansas side of the area. The farther east you live on the Missouri side, better chances for you to see some thunderstorms. And the farther east you go, so where you see that orange, closer to Columbia, Missouri, St. Louis, Cape Girardeau, if you're traveling east on Friday, higher risk of severe weather. Strong wind region-wide, so all of us are going to have to deal with a windy day on Friday. And then that fire danger, and this includes pretty much all of our area, we'll see that high fire danger because of the windy and mainly dry conditions. So just keep that in mind for Friday. Again, that higher fire danger, thunderstorm threat more so focused to the east, but with that fast moving line of thunderstorms, depending on where and when they organize, we still could see some 60-mile-an-hour gusts. Trenton, Chillicothe down towards Marshall, Sedalia, Warsaw, Warrensburg down to Warsaw. You could have some stronger gusts, less likely for the metro and areas farther towards the west. But we will certainly let you know if we see any sort of shifts with that timing and location there. 75 degrees, sunshine, some high clouds here and there. Looking ahead over the next 9 days, tomorrow is going to be a great day. Lots of sunshine, 40s in the morning, 67 at lunchtime. Try and have lunch outside if you can. Upper 70s for the afternoon. Just great weather on Friday. Those thunderstorms are possible Friday afternoon and evening. A windy day for all of us. 77 or high. Much cooler over the weekend with highs in the 50s. Lows near freezing by Sunday morning. St. Patrick's Day looks beautiful. 73 for a high on Monday. Another chance that thunderstorms will move in for next Wednesday.